Today I am going to narrate a short story on the topic Heart-Shaped Stone of Phobjikha. The story begins the night before Dungshi Chubi Drungdu's planned departure for the Gangte statue. When his parents interrupted with the preparation with a strange warning. His parents' explicit advice was to not be the first to reach and last to leave the festival ground. Also, you must not mingle with the crowd during the day. In the excitement, Dungshi Chubi Dungdru left very early the next morning. As he waited for the festival to start, he excitedly watched the people arriving from all the directions of the valley. Down the path came the beautiful Sangwa Kingi Windin. She caught the Dungshi Chubi Dungdu's eye at first glance and walked towards him. They instantly fell in love during their brief meeting in the shadows of Tabab Chotin, the stupa near the Gangte monastery. To avoid the crowds and any other onlookers, they agreed to meet again at Nela Hill in the evening. Listening from her perch atop a lone pine tree was the Nela Doom, the devil of the Nela Hill. She too had developed a soft spot for Dungshi Chubi Chungdu and knew about him meeting with Sangwa Kingi Yunten below her home hill. Nela Doom, a wicked demoness, is one of the 7 daughters of the Nela Doom, also known as Devil of Nela Hill, which one can find on the way to Tongsa. When Sangwa Kyungi Winden reached home after the festival, she was asked to roast 20 trees of barley by her parents. Several days later, her parents planned to migrate to lower ground so as to escape the cold winter. There are many tasks that needed to be finished before they departed. Sangwa Kingi Yunten tries her best to finish her chores, working as hard as she could, sweating over the burning fire. Alas, she did not finish in time and was too late to meet Dungshi Chubi Chungdu at their agreed place at the Nela Hill. Meanwhile, Nela Dim took advantage of girls' delay by disguising herself into Sangwa Kyungi Yunten and met with Dungshi Chubi Chungdu in her place. The demoness seduced the boy and later took his soul. When Sangwa Kyungi Yunten reached at the destined meeting place, to her disbelief and despair, she found the boy dead. Her anguish for her true love did not allow her to leave the body behind. So she took her beloved to Kewang Lakang and cried for help, keeping the body on a stone in front of the Lakang. She stumbled to the door of the Lakang and knocked. Through her cries, Sangwa Kingi Yunten requested for help. Except peering inside, behind the massive door, she heard the Buddha statue inside the Lakang speak. The statue spoke of a great Lama called Gangte Tulku in Gangte who could help and asked her to take her true love's body to Gangte. When she moved Dungshi Chubi Chungdu's lifeless corpse and began her long journey to her amusement, what remained was an impression resembling a large heart set in the stone on which he laid. Gangte Tulku was expecting Sangwa Kyungi Yuntin in Gangte the morning and instructed his attendant to permit her entry. The Gangte Tulku performed all the cremation prayers and requested the girl to be ordained as a nun. She joined the nunnery and later went to Nela Hill and subdued the demoness. She dumped the demoness inside a place where today stands a white choten on Phobjikha Natural Trail Hike. If you like this story, please like, share and subscribe. Until then, thanks for being with me. Thank you.